Okay, so in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create and add watermark to photo in Canva. Alright, let's dive in. Now first of all, just open your Canva design on web browser or on an app. Go on the left side, click on text, and from here click on add a text box. Now if you want to make the text larger, you can choose text size from here, or you can just increase the text size by going on top and click on increase font size like this. Now if you want to change that text style, you can click on this one option right over here, font, click on it and change the style from the left side. So I'm gonna go with keyword black. Okay, now type whatever text you want. I'm gonna type my channel name over here. Okay, now if you want to change the color of the text, just select the text, click on this icon right over here and change whatever color you desire. So I'm gonna go with green. Okay, light green. Alright, now just click on top, click on transparency and decrease its transparency like this. So it depends on you how much transparency you want. As you can see, that's how I can put my watermark on image or videos. Now if you want to put a logo watermark on the image, just go on the left side, click on upload files and choose your logo. I'm gonna go with this logo right over here. Just select it, just click on it and it will automatically go on your image. Now click on the logo, go on top, click on transparency and decrease its transparency like this. Now as you can see, I've added my logo as a watermark. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.